Sir, y'all see, man, I got that thing running. Got to be a master of your abilities. Who's a master of their abilities?
Me!
Oh, okay, you is? Yes, sir. Y'all see, man. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. It's your boy back with another video, like they say, and another one, and another one, and another one.
We're gonna pick it up right where we left off, and we gonna bring it to you all around the world. Don't come around here with that slick talk. Say that game for your bitch, I'm not a girl. In the city running lights on lit and all.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. It's your boy back with another video, like they say, and another one, and another one, and another one. Yeah, man. So today, man, I told y'all, if y'all watched yesterday's video, I told you guys that I was gonna show you how to put studs on the UTV. So I'm gonna master my abilities, man. I'm a master my abilities. So I removed the tire, I removed the disc brake, I removed the rotor off, and I also took the hub off. So what I done came up with, you know, save a little money. It is a toy, you know what I'm saying? And it's gonna be more durable than it was before. So what I came up with the idea of doing, I took the hub off and I went and found me some grade A bolts, which I only need 2 studs. So I got me some grade A bolts. They almost the same size as the other ones. I am gonna have to put a washer on there on the front for the hub of the wheel. And so I'm gonna weld the stud on, man. And only one place I know that can weld it right. Yeah, sir, I was gonna let my brother weld it at you know, the home of the 2-piece wheels at Dub City Tires, but you guys got my man over there busy, man. Y'all got the homie real busy. He's actually out right now getting tires. There's a lot of people bolting up 28s, 30s, 26s. Man, he bolting up custom rims every day, man. So if you got some custom rims, man, you trying to have them outside, trying to have you some fresh tires on them, he do got the best price around on new tires. You know what I'm saying? Don't put no used tires on your nice wheels, and make sure all your tires is matching. You know what I'm saying? And the best place to go get it done, go to Dub City Tires. You know what I'm saying? You will get a special price if you tell them the Trendsetter sent you over there. So if you ever want to get a decent discount on the tires, make sure y'all go over there and say, "Oh boy, Flyroy the Trendsetter sent me over here, man, and I want to get that deal that he talking about." So make sure y'all do that, man. But my brother out there, he on the hunt for some rims and tires. So I slid over here to One Stop, and my man Tom gonna tighten me up, man. And like I said, with One Stop, they the best around, man, as far as like on the suspension work, the mechanic work, and also the muffler and exhaust. You know what I'm saying? So that's why I figure I have legendary Tom, which y'all all know Tom. You know what I'm saying? Let Tom go ahead and put his magic on the super weld so they don't never break. You know what I'm saying? But I know eventually I'm just gonna order the hub and it comes with the studs in it. But like I said, it's a toy, man. So that's how we gonna treat it as a toy. You know what I'm saying? So ain't nobody gonna know what was done but me and you all. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna show you gotta do it. So if you got a 4-wheeler or anything like that, man, you know, sometimes you can't find those wheel studs. Places don't have them. You know what I'm saying? Stuff is discontinued. So what I did was, let me see, because I got it right here in my pocket. So what I did was, I went to, y'all see that? Ace Hardware. And you know what? It cost me a whole flipping $5. You know what I'm saying? Yes. But don't do like I did. I went over there and got the bolts without taking the rim and the hub. So the first bolts that I got was too long. So I had to go back home and get the hub and also the tire to put it on to make sure I was all the way correct and legendary, man. And that's the only thing, man. That's the only thing you got to do, man. So make sure y'all stay tuned for the rest of the video, because we're going to do some installation. I got to go and pick up the battery. We're going to fire that thing up, man. You know what I'm saying? It hasn't been started up in a while. I say like since, the middle of the winter or something. I think I fired it up. You know what I'm saying? So we're going to get that thing fired up, and we're going to see what it do, man. And we sitting out here waiting on time. And also I got an order to get a custom outfit made. So I'm making a custom outfit for somebody, you know, that graduating from 8th grade. And they are throwing them an 8th grade graduation party. So I told them, you guys are, you know, got balloons. It's a whole different ceremony. Why don't you make Lil Dude a custom outfit? So I went ahead myself. They said they left it all up to me on my, you know what I'm saying? They like my swag a little bit. So I went out and got something, man. And he gonna be completely custom down, man, to the Gucci down to the socks, man. So I'm gonna walk y'all with me through that, because our next spot after here, we are going to the t-shirt spot so we can get the custom shirt done. Then also I'm gonna stop and pick up the battery, and the next stop is we're going to be installing the hub and everything on the UTV, man. So I'm gonna have y'all rocking with me all day today, man. You know what I'm saying? Make sure in the middle of the video or something, man, y'all drop something in the comments, man. Let me know y'all still there. Share the video with your people, man. If y'all know some people that got some off-road toys, man, you know, sometimes stuff is hard to find. And sometimes you got to fabricate your own stuff. Sometimes you got to weld your own stuff. And that's when that vision come in, that you got the vision because you want to play on your toy. So ain't nobody else going to fix that vision but you. So long as you put the vision together, your next move is to put aces in their places and find somebody that can make your imagination and your thing that you put together come to life, like I'm doing right now. So on that note, y'all stay tuned. We outside chilling, waiting on Tom, and then we gonna watch Tom do what he do, man. Let me see if I can get y'all a little vlog with Tom doing a little fabrication, a little thing for me, man. And look, man, y'all stay tuned. Let's get it. See how them cars just keep coming in? Cars is coming in, coming in, coming in, coming in. That's what they coming into. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yeah. Catch him with it in his hand then. There you go. I got that part. Y'all see Tom knocked it out for me, man. Y'all check it out, check it out, check it out. Ain't nobody weld look like this. It ain't gonna come apart now. Yes, sir.
Who welded it for you?
I did. No, Tom did.
Nah, okay.
Yeah. You see
Still
that?
Hot?
Yeah. Y'all see that, man? So this what I did, man. You know what I'm saying? Like if you got a little toy, man, this gonna be stronger than what it was before. Yes, sir. And I told y'all it cost me a whole $6. Yes, sir. Guys, you see where we are. Told you I'm bringing you guys along. And I just got a call too. I got a detail to do. I believe it's interior only. I'm not quite sure yet. So we're going to leave from here. We're going to go put the UTV together. And then we're going to go check on our detail. Yes. So I did pick up the battery too, guys. I got the battery in the truck, so we can put it all together. And I'll just put the battery in later. I'll just get the tire on and everything, and we'll go from there. But shout out to Tom at One Stop Muffler and Brake, man, for doing the customized welding for me. He got me together. So y'all stay tuned, because I'm making some custom things right now, and I'm going to let y'all check it out. Let's get it. See what time it is, man. Check it out. Check it out. Yes, sir. So those are shorts. That is a shirt. This is a shirt, and those are shorts. So y'all gonna be able to see this tomorrow. Actually, today I'm gonna deliver it to them, and then you guys are gonna see me in this, because these are for me. I have a matching shirt that goes with that, and it's a hood enough shirt. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Y'all see what time it is, man. I've been rushing through it, so y'all see I got the caliber on. Got the hub on, got the rotor on. I got our collar pin in there, man. Everything's locked down. We're gonna put the tire on. Let's get it. Sir, turn this cold AC down a little bit. So look, man, y'all know what it is, man. Y'all see what I'm on. So I got the UTV all finished. You know what I'm saying? Got the tire on. Everything worked as expected. So now I'm on to, I got a detail, and I think I got some batteries to change on the RV, man. So make sure y'all stay tuned, like, share, subscribe, man. I'm gonna take y'all with me. I got my tripod and everything. Only thing that might suck a little bit, we gonna hope it don't happen. You know it's a little warm outside. Phones do get hot. So y'all bear with me, man. Y'all hear them tools rattling, let's get it. Yes, sir, y'all hear that thing running? Told you your boy's a master of his abilities, man. I'm gonna turn around and let y'all see what I got running, man. You know what I'm saying? Let's get it. Yes, sir. So now, you see these little BD gauge wires? They need to be switched over to these, and that's what I'm doing next. But basically, my job was today, was to come over here and get it fired up. Y'all hear that thing running? You hear it running? Yes, sir. They like, Flyroy, what's all this? Yeah, that means you a master of your abilities. See all them batteries on the floor? So those are all the old batteries. You know what I'm saying? Let me show y'all something too. See this melted wire? This is why they need that big gauge wire. This actually melted. You know what I'm saying? But y'all see up underneath there, man. So next we gotta, I'm gonna show them how to clean the batteries up. We're gonna clean the whole wiring situation up. We're gonna make sure all the batteries are strapped down and everything, man. But y'all see what time it is, man. Book your appointment, man. It's a whole RV. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. Ain't no telling how long it's been sitting, but y'all know the trendsetter getting it running. Y'all heard that? Heard that thing purging? Yes, sir. Yes, sir, man. So look, man, we got one. Just the inside only, man, but we gonna definitely try to take this thing. Ain't no try. We taking it from ashy to classy, man. I'm gonna spin this camera around, let y'all check it out. Man, we on the mission today. Let's get it.
We gon' pick it up right where we left off, and we gon' bring it to you all around the world.
What you gonna do with this?
Around here with that slick talk.
What you gonna do with this?
Bitch, I'm not a girl. In the city running lights on lit, and I hope one time don't catch me moving. 3 strikes to you out, that's like that's the game that you play, and you know what I mean.
The streets been crazy, lives getting heavy. Everybody got that burner, everybody out here said tripping.
Y'all want to see what that thing look like? Y'all want to see? Y'all want to see? Spin this camera around, let y'all check it out. Make sure y'all book your appointment. Make sure you drop something in the comments, man. Let me know. Let's get it. I've seen it before.
In the city that's known for pimping and hoeing, but still we made it out, so I guess you could say we chosen. We gotta do it for the ones that really care. I know a lot of people left this for the people that's still there. We gon' pick it up right where we left off, and we gon' bring it to you all around the world. Don't be coming around here with that slick talk. Say I came for your bitch, I'm not a girl. In the city running like so lit, and I hope one time don't catch me moving. 3 strikes to you out, that's like that's the game that you play, and you know what the rules are.
Drop something in the comments, man. Let's get it. Yes, sir. So now, you see these little BD gauge wires? They need to be switched over to these, and that's what I'm doing next. But basically, my job was today, was to come over here and get it fired up. Y'all hear that thing running? You hear it running? Yes, sir. They like, Flyroy, what's all this? Yeah, that means you a master of your abilities. See all them batteries on the floor? So those are all the old batteries. You know what I'm saying? Let me show y'all something too. See this melted wire? This is why they need that big gauge wire. This actually melted. You know what I'm saying? But y'all see up underneath there, man. So next we gotta, I'm gonna show them how to clean the batteries up. We're gonna clean the whole wiring situation up. We're gonna make sure all the batteries are strapped down and everything, man. But y'all see what time it is, man. Book your appointment, man. It's a whole RV. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. Ain't no telling how long it's been sitting, But y'all know the trendsetter getting it running. Y'all heard that? Heard that thing purging? Yes, sir.
1 hour later.
Yes, sir, man. So look, man, we got one. Just the inside only, man. But we gonna definitely try to take this thing. Ain't no try. We taking it from ashy to classy, man. I'm gonna spin this camera around, let y'all check it out. Man, we on the mission today. Let's get it. Y'all say, man, what you gonna do to this? What you gonna do to this? Huh? 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 Yes, sir, huh? What you gonna do to this? Huh? 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 Let's get it. Yes, sir. So, man, y'all want to see what that thing look like? Y'all want to see? Y'all want to see? Spin this camera around, let y'all check it out. Make sure y'all book your appointment. Make sure you drop something in the comments, man. Let me know. Let's get it. Seen before. Seen before. Cup holders. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yeah. I've seen before. Drop something in the comments, man. Get it. Sir, y'all see, man, I got that thing running. Gotta be a master of your abilities. Who's a master of their abilities?
Me!
Oh, okay, you is? Yeah, sir, y'all see, man.
When God created me, he created his favorite. Say he ain't got favoritism. Nigga, I am the greatest. My thoughts are separated by how others be thinking. My story is inspirational. I am an inspiration from the bottom. I emerge like a phoenix from the ashes. Never made a hit record, only made classics. I spit